All right, we're gonna have to come through the wall. We're gonna have to bring this copper pipe. This is the relief from the pressure tank from the hot water heater. Then I'm gonna have to come down, bring it over, and then out. We're gonna have to dig a trench, and we're gonna do water blasting. We're gonna water blast getting through the porch, which I'll show you. We're gonna have to go under. All right, we're gonna have to go under the porch here. All right. So this is the porch. Okay, as you can see, I've already started the trench. Here, we're gonna go under and into the room. There's the water blaster. Okay, I'm watering the tree. Now I'm gonna show you how I made it. All right, you don't have to have this. It doesn't have to be made this way, just regular PVC pipe. And then you put on this threaded end right here, which I believe is 3/4. And then I've got a brass adapter that screws onto that. And then I've got my hose fits onto that, all right? And that's the setup, is right there. Okay, then it goes down to the other end. And again, I have this threaded end on here, all right? That this nozzle's screwed onto. It's that simple, all right? Now let's get the blasting. All right, bear with me. All right, now I've got underneath it. I'm just gonna have to work it back at an angle. All right. Now, okay, look at a bit with the shovel. Sure does make for easy digging, especially when you have a lot of rocks in the soil like I have down here. All right. All right, just stay tuned. We're getting through it. I had to dig down, and then we're going to get the pipe level. Now I'm getting her in there. You like eating dirt? Don't do this if you don't like eating dirt. Almost there. All right, we are right here. We are right here. Just about there. Have to take it just a little bit past the face of this, and I'm about so far away. Blasting right now, eating away, eroding the dirt, which will allow it to push in where I want it to go. Then I'll dig from the inside down. I may even just blast down and then dig. Now. I'm through. I'm right where I want to be. I'm just making sure. All right, just let the road. It's kicking out, it's blasting against the dirt and then pushing it away and digging. Okay, as it's sitting there. All right. So next I'll show you the next step. All right, now. All right, now. All right, well, thank you for watching. This is part 1 of Home Improvement Tips, aka Easy 2 Tips and Tricks. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you on the next one. So this is the first half of water blasting, and show you how to go about some of the techniques of using it, and it makes life simple, really nice, quick and easy, especially for a difficult job. Normally you wouldn't be able to do this if you didn't know this trick. So thank you again, and I look forward to hear from you, and as always, never give up, because there's always a way, always, and you see that right here on this channel, always a way, up close and personal. So remember, tell a friend, it's a win-win-win. And leave comments, like, share, save for a future reference. Tell a friend. Bye for now. God bless.